hello and welcome. As the day settles into twilight, I invite you to settle too. Find a position that feels gentle and deeply comfortable, allowing your body to relax into the support beneath you. There's nothing you need to do now, nowhere you need to be, except here. Take a soft breath in, feeling the air fill you with a quiet stillness. Then let it out slowly, releasing any lingering thoughts or tensions. With each breath, allow yourself to sink a little deeper, softer into this moment, giving yourself full permission to simply listen and be. Tonight, we begin a journey to a place of profound cosmic calm, where the universe whispers its oldest secrets. Imagine yourself now, gently drifting toward a tranquil observatory, a sanctuary crafted from luminous, softly glowing materials, suspended in the velvet expanse of space. This isn't just any station. It's a dedicated listening post, a nexus designed to receive the most subtle cosmic vibrations. Through its vast, curved viewports, a distant, shimmering point of light beckons, a tiny jewel in the cosmic tapestry. This light is the visual signature of our destination, a neutron star, thousands of light years away. Within this quiet chamber, advanced sensors translate its immense, silent energies into a gentle, perceptible resonance, a deep, slow hum that pulses through the very air. Subtle, very low-frequency hum begins to feel the subtle warmth of the surrounding architecture, the soft glow of interior lights reflecting faintly on smooth, dark surfaces. This is where we will listen. This is where we will experience the quiet, ancient rhythms of the cosmos, a timeless lullaby from a distant neutron star. Carried on the fabric of space itself, the chamber feels vast, yet intimately secure, like being cradled within a larger, benevolent hand. Ahead, a panoramic viewport curves gently, revealing not the harsh vacuum of space, but a filtered, ethereal canvas. Soft, shifting nebula clouds drift by, their colors muted, like pastel dreams unfolding in slow motion. Below, distant starships, mere specks of light, trace silent paths, their own journeys unfolding without disturbance. One might recline into the contours of the plush, adaptive seating, feeling the subtle release of tension from every joint. The air is perfectly still, calibrated to a gentle warmth, and the only sound is an almost imperceptible, deep resonance emanating from the very walls of this sanctuary. It is the hum of sophisticated systems, patiently collecting and translating the incredibly subtle oscillations from light years away. A faint, almost rhythmic pulse begins to emerge from the profound quiet. Not a sound in the traditional sense, but a deep, vibrational whisper, like the slow, steady heartbeat of something ancient and immensely powerful. It's the first whisper of the neutron star, a distant beacon of stellar collapse, its extraordinary rotation now gently interpreted into an audible form. Each subtle thrum seems to resonate not just in the air, within the very core of one's being, a reminder of the universe's grand, silent symphony. This is the sound carried on the fabric of space itself, processed and presented, not as a cacophony, but as a calming, deliberate rhythm. The soft light within the chamber dims almost imperceptibly, deepening the sense of immersion, drawing attention to the gentle cosmic spectacle beyond the viewport, and the even subtler vibrations that now begin to fill the space more clearly. It is a slow, steady drift into the heart of galactic time. The subtle vibrations deepen, no longer just a faint tremor felt beneath the soles of your feet, but a presence that hums softly through the very air. It's a rhythm, not a melody, a slow, deep thrumming that seems to resonate from the ship's core, yet you know its origin is far beyond. This is the distant pulse, translated and amplified, the unique signature of the neutron star, now a gentle, pervasive sound within this quiet chamber. Soft, low-frequency hum like deep, distant machinery or resonant bass. Imagine it as a cosmic heartbeat, steady and ancient, echoing across light years before reaching this vessel. The sound fills the space, not with loudness, but with a profound depth, washing over you like a tide of pure, quiet energy. Through the vast, arcing viewport, the star itself remains a distant, impossibly small point of light, yet its presence is now undeniably intimate, a constant, soothing companion. The ship's advanced systems are merely a conduit, transforming the faint gravitational ripples and electromagnetic echoes into something perceivable, something resonant and calming. The interior of the observation lounge is designed to embrace this phenomenon. Soft, diffused lighting casts a gentle glow on polished, seamless surfaces, reflecting the faint glimmer of the star field outside. Plush, ergonomically shaped seating invites you to settle deeper, to allow the resonant frequencies to gently cradle your awareness. There are no sharp edges here, only curves and seamless transitions, mirroring the organic flow of the universe and inviting a sense of profound peace. The ship itself seems to breathe with the neutron star's rhythm, a silent, synchronized dance. You might feel a soft, almost imperceptible sway, a gentle drift as the vessel maintains its perfect alignment, ensuring the clearest reception of these ancient cosmic whispers. It's a slow, unhurried journey into the heart of sound, where time seems to stretch and soften, and the universe speaks in tranquil vibrations, inviting you to simply listen and be. Now allow your awareness to drift further, past the shimmering veils of stardust, toward the quiet observatory that floats in the deep. It's a structure not unlike a petal unfurling, crafted from cosmic glass and whispered alloys, designed for this very purpose, to capture the subtle dance of a distant neutron star. Inside, there are no harsh edges, only flowing curves that guide your gaze to panoramic views of nebula dust, painted in soft, diffused light. Here, Within this gentle haven, the sounds manifest not as audible noise, but as resonant waves that gently press against the very fabric of your being. Imagine them as slow, rhythmic pulses, like the deepest, most ancient heartbeat of the cosmos itself. These are vibrations that hum through the silent architecture, felt more than heard. A delicate shimmer might trace across a polished surface, a ripple through the air, almost like a ghost of a sound. You might feel a subtle warmth, a soft, deep thrumming that resonates within your chest, a gentle reminder of the stars' immense energy, now softened into a lullaby. It's a feeling of profound connection, a silent conversation with a celestial body so far away, yet so intimately present. The light within the observatory dims almost imperceptibly, mirroring the slow rotation of the distant star, creating long, peaceful shadows that stretch and sway. Sometimes, a distant, faint echo of a stellar wind might brush against the outer hull, a whisper of magnetic fields dancing. It's all part of this vast, gentle symphony, orchestrated by the universe, played out for those who are ready to simply receive. Let these deep, slow rhythms envelop you, calming every thought, every worry, as you become one with the quiet, persistent song of the cosmos. The persistent song of the cosmos continues its gentle embrace. It is not a sound heard with your ears, but felt deep within, a resonant hum that vibrates through the very fabric of the quiet chamber around you. Imagine it as a soft, rhythmic pressure, pulsing from an unimaginable distance, guiding your breath into a deeper, slower rhythm. This deep cosmic pulse seems to settle into the very structure of your resting place, a subtle resonance that cradles you. Subtle, very low frequency hum, almost imperceptible, like a distant engine through the wide, curved viewport. The field of stars remains steadfast, but now your gaze is drawn to a faint, almost hypnotic glow in the far distance. It's a singular point of light, more intense than the countless others, shimmering with an inner fire that speaks of immense power held in perfect, silent balance. This is the distant heart of the neutron star, not burning, but radiating its ancient, persistent energy across the void. Its light, though faint across light years, carries with it the visual echo of its unseen pulsations. A subtle, slow flicker emanates from that distant point, like a cosmic beacon, steady and unwavering in its eternal dance. The gentle, almost imperceptible undulations of light are a visual counterpoint to the deep, silent hum you feel. It feels deeply comforting, knowing such a magnificent, powerful entity exists so far away, yet shares its quiet, rhythmic presence with you here. You are a peaceful observer in this vast, quiet symphony of existence. The soft, diffused luminosity along the edges of the viewport frames this cosmic spectacle, turning the endless void into a canvas of tranquil wonder and deep reflection. Your mind drifts, enveloped by this slow, steady beat, feeling only profound peace and connection to the universe's quiet rhythm. The slow, steady beat continues, a gentle cosmic pulse echoing through the dedicated listening chamber. This is not a harsh, raw sound, but one thoughtfully curated, filtered through layers of advanced harmonic processors. It arrives as a soft, rhythmic thrum, a deep, resonant hum that seems to vibrate not just in the air around you, but deep within your bones, settling every restless thought. Above, the vast, curved viewport offers a silent, breathtaking tableau. The chamber itself is designed for profound quietude, its walls absorbing any extraneous vibrations, leaving only the pure, refined essence of the neutron star's song. Soft, bioluminescent panels along the floor cast a gentle, upward glow, illuminating the sleek, minimalist surfaces of the room. You notice a singular, empty, plush observation chair, angled perfectly towards the distant, shimmering point of light that represents the source of this cosmic melody. The chair invites a stillness, a deep breath. Though you may not occupy it, its presence speaks of countless hours spent in quiet contemplation, absorbing the universe's most subtle rhythms. The light from the neutron star, even filtered through the viewport's advanced optics, carries an ethereal quality, a silent dance of blues and purples at the very edge of perception. It's a color that deepens the sense of peace, drawing your gaze further into the vastness, allowing your mind to follow the sound waves across unimaginable distances. Each subtle variation in the thrum is a whisper from a far-off cosmic entity, a message carried on the very fabric of space-time. It's a comfort, a lullaby woven from the powerful, yet harmonious forces of the universe. Your awareness softens, blending with the pervasive calm, as the rhythmic sound guides you deeper into a state of serene relaxation. The rhythmic sound, a slow, profound pulse, now seems to emanate from all around, yet also from an immense distance. It is not merely heard but felt, a deep vibrational hum that resonates gently through the space. Imagine a quiet observatory, not on a planet, but drifting serenely through the void, its vast, curved windows offering an uninterrupted vista. Soft, low hum and distant, slow cosmic pulse within this sanctuary of observation. The sound of the distant neutron star is amplified, refined, and presented as a lullaby from the cosmos. The walls around are not solid, but appear to shimmer with embedded pathways of soft, luminous light, tracing patterns like ancient star charts. These aren't bright, jarring lights, but rather whispers of neon, muted and deep, reflecting the quiet awe of the universe outside. From a comfortable, reclined position, perhaps on a plush, ergonomically shaped surface that seems to float slightly above the deck, one can gaze out. Beyond the transparent surface, the universe stretches, a canvas of deep, ink-eye blues and purples, speckled with countless pinprick stars that seem to twinkle in time with the neutron star's steady beat. There is no sense of cold or emptiness here, only a profound sense of protective calm and vast, quiet beauty. The gentle thrumming of the distant star becomes a personal anchor, pulling awareness away from any fleeting thoughts and into the deep, quiet rhythm of cosmic existence. It is a reminder of the grand, slow dance of celestial bodies, a dance that unfolds in perfect harmony, far beyond the reach of any earthly concern. This silent drift through cosmic architecture, accompanied by the star's ancient song, invites a deep, unburdened peace. The soft, ambient glow of the sanctuary blends seamlessly with the distant starlight, creating a perfect cocoon of tranquility, where time itself seems to slow, almost to a standstill. Within this peaceful cocoon, a subtle resonance begins to unfold, not a sound heard with ears alone, but a gentle vibration that whispers through the very fabric of the sanctuary. The distant starlight, once a quiet shimmer against the cosmic dark, now feels like a profound pathway, carrying ancient, rhythmic patterns from far beyond. Your awareness is drawn effortlessly to this unique, deep melody of the cosmos. Very subtle, low hum, almost subliminal, you might perceive it as a slow, deep pulse, a cosmic heartbeat echoing across unimaginable distances. This is the distant song of a neutron star, a celestial object so dense, so profound, that its very existence radiates a unique energetic signature. Here, within this tranquil haven, advanced technology gently translates these faint, distant signals into a sensory experience designed purely for peace. Imagine soft, almost imperceptible waves of energy washing over you like a gentle tide, each one carrying the quiet thrum of a star born from immense, ancient forces. It's a sound that has journeyed for millennia through the vastness of space, now arriving as a comforting, rhythmic presence within your sanctuary. This isn't a harsh, percussive beat, but a soothing, deep thrum, a cosmic lullaby that resonates with the deepest parts of your being. The soft neon lights of the sanctuary seem to pulse in harmony with this ancient rhythm, casting elongated, calming shadows that sway gently with the flow. This unique cosmic connection deepens the sense of serene solitude, inviting a profound release into the quiet stillness of the moment. As the neutron star's gentle energy wraps around you, now imagine this embrace becoming a soft, internal resonance, a quiet hum that seems to originate from the very core of your being, yet echoes the vast distances of space. It is not a sound heard with your ears, but felt deep within, a subtle vibration that speaks of ancient forces and timeless rhythms. You find yourself drifting into a specialized observation chamber, a tranquil space designed for this very connection. The walls here are not solid, but appear to be composed of softly shifting light, reflecting the distant, ethereal glow of the neutron star in muted, iridescent hues. A comfortable, almost weightless lounger cradles you, perfectly aligned to offer an unobstructed view through the vast, transparent viewport. Outside, the endless tapestry of stars stretches out, but your focus is drawn to that singular, distant point, the neutron star, a jewel of unimaginable density, its song now a more defined, yet still gentle presence. It's a low, sustained thrum, like the quietest possible bass note resonating through the fabric of the universe. This isn't a harsh or urgent sound, but a lullaby of cosmic scale, a steady, unwavering pulse that reassures and calms. Each subtle shift in its distant light seems to correspond to a gentle fluctuation in this felt rhythm. You notice how the soft, ambient lighting within the chamber responds in kind, subtly dimming and brightening, creating a synchronized dance between your inner experience and the outer cosmic spectacle. It's a private concert, tailored just for your peaceful drift, a symphony of silence and deep space. The subtle pulsations seem to gently massage away any lingering tension, inviting you further into a state of profound relaxation, letting go as you become one with the quiet, enduring whisper of the cosmos. Subtle hum of the neutron star isn't merely heard, it's felt, a deep, pervasive vibration that gently settles the space around you. This isn't a harsh sound, but a velvety resonance, like the deepest string of a cosmic cello, played with infinite slowness. Imagine yourself within a tranquil, softly illuminated chamber, an observation deck designed for cosmic communion. Its curved walls are not solid, but vast, transparent panels, subtly infused with a faint, luminous glow, showing the infinite depth of space. The smooth, cool surface of the deck beneath you reflects the gentle light. Through these ethereal surfaces, the distant nebulae drift in slow motion, painting the void with strokes of violet and teal. These aren't just windows, they are sensory membranes, allowing the gentle light and the star's quiet pulse to permeate the very atmosphere within. Soft, low, rhythmic hum, the rhythmic ebb and flow of the neutron, star's signature sound, seems to guide the very currents of the subtle air circulation within this chamber, creating a sensation of gentle, weightless motion, as if you are suspended in a cosmic cradle. Each slow, distant beat echoes a sense of timelessness, a profound patience resonating from the heart of the galaxy. It encourages your breath to deepen, your thoughts to soften, allowing every lingering tension to dissolve. The soft, luminous glow from the cosmic display beyond the panels casts long, barely perceptible shadows that sway with the light of the star itself, a silent, graceful dance. All earthly concerns drift away, replaced by the serene reality of this moment, this cosmic embrace, where the universe breathes a lullaby just for you, a soothing, enduring peace. The gentle hum of the distant neutron star continues its steady rhythm, a silent symphony echoing not through air, but through the very fabric of existence. You feel it now, a subtle resonance in the deep quiet, like the slowest, most profound heartbeat of the cosmos itself. It's an ancient pulse, born of unimaginable forces, yet reaching you here as a whisper, a comforting vibration. Around you, the soft, diffused light from the star's distant glow paints the interior of your observation chamber in hues of deep violet and muted gold. Tiny, almost imperceptible dust motes dance in these serene beams, catching the faint starlight as they drift. The chamber is designed for this very connection, a sanctuary crafted to hold the vastness of space in a gentle embrace. Transparent surfaces offer panoramic views, yet they filter and soften, transforming the harsh brilliance of distant nebulae into soft washes of color. You observe the star's voice not with your ears, but with an inner sense, a deep, knowing understanding. It's a rhythmic flicker across sensitive monitors, a pattern of light and shadow on the domed ceiling, a slow, hypnotic sway of projected energy fields. Each subtle shift in frequency, each gentle oscillation, tells a story of creation and endurance, a cosmic narrative unfolding with infinite patience. There is no urgency here, only the timeless flow of universal forces, a constant, predictable presence that grounds you in its immensity. This is the sound of deep time, of stardust coalescing and dissolving, of gravity's slow, beautiful work. It cradles your awareness, inviting it to spread out and encompass this vast, quiet spectacle. The distant star, a beacon of measured power, sends its calming vibrations directly to you, wrapping you in its ancient, steady song. The ancient, steady song of the neutron star now resonates deep within the quiet observation chamber. It's not a sound heard with ears alone, but felt through the very core of your being, a gentle, persistent hum that cradles the silence. Imagine it as a rhythm that has traveled eons, now finally reaching this tranquil space. The very air itself seems to shimmer with unseen ripples, subtle undulations that echo the star's slow, powerful spin. Very low, soft, distant hums soft. Internal lights within the chamber respond in kind, pulsing with an almost imperceptible rhythm, a soft, deep violet merging with a comforting indigo. They trace the contours of the polished obsidian-like walls, casting long, peaceful shadows that stretch and recede with each subtle shift. You are suspended in this cosmic lullaby, utterly safe, utterly still, enveloped by this unique symphony of vibrations. Each distant, soft beat of the neutron star's rotation is a whisper of cosmic time, a measure of the universe's patient, endless breath. This profound stillness, broken only by the stars' enduring cadence, allows for a deep sense of decompression. The vastness of space outside the panoramic viewports feels less like an emptiness and more like a boundless, soft quilt of indigo and black. The neutron star's distant glow, a single, unwavering pinprick of intense white light, holds steady in the dark, a constant, gentle pulse in the canvas of stars. It's a profound presence, an anchor in the cosmos, filling this quiet sanctuary with its unique, comforting energy, inviting you to simply be and to drift. The gentle pulse of the distant neutron star continues to bathe this sanctuary in its unique, subtle rhythm. It's not a sound heard with ears, but felt deep within the quiet structure of this place, resonating through the polished, cool surfaces and the soft, diffused light. Imagine the very air around you, subtly vibrating with this ancient cosmic beat. The transparent panels that form the outer walls seem to shimmer faintly in response, catching the ambient starlight and the distant gleam of the neutron star, transforming it into a soothing, almost melodic hum that only the deepest parts of your awareness can perceive. This hum is a lullaby from the depths of space, a gentle reminder of the universe's quiet power. This pervasive resonance creates a sense of profound calm, a feeling of being connected to something vast and eternal, yet also deeply peaceful and secure. You are nestled within a cosmic cradle where the universe whispers its oldest secrets not in words, but in patterns of energy and light. Observe how the shadows within the sanctuary lengthen and soften with each passing cosmic breath, dancing in slow, almost imperceptible motions across the floor and the smooth, curved furnishings. A soft, iridescent glow occasionally blooms on the metallic accents, mirroring the distant star's silent song. Everything here feels attuned, designed to harmonize with the slow, deliberate rhythm of the cosmos. Let yourself be lulled by this harmonious interplay of light, silence, and the almost sound of distant celestial power. It's an invitation to release, to simply exist within this tranquil space, allowing the steady cosmic pulse to guide your mind into deeper, calmer states, drifting gently with the universe's quiet, powerful heart. The steady cosmic pulse continues to cradle the mind, a gentle, invisible current carrying thoughts further into tranquility. Within the quiet chamber, the distant neutron star reveals itself not as a point of light, but as a deep, resonant whisper woven into the very fabric of space around you. Its ancient energy, too vast for human ears to directly perceive, is translated here into a series of soft, rhythmic undulations, a subtle symphony from the galactic core. These are the sounds of immense cosmic forces, harmonized and softened, presented as a profound lullaby from beyond the nebulae. Imagine these subtle waves, a slow, deep bass line that resonates not through air, but through the very structure of the vessel itself, perhaps a sleeping starship, adrift in the void, or a serene station orbiting far from any active sun. The soft hum, almost imperceptible at first, gradually makes its presence known, a powerful yet profoundly gentle presence. It isn't a vibration that disturbs, but one that soothes, a reminder of the universe's vast, patient cycles and its unwavering continuity. Through a panoramic view, or perhaps a simulated window of pure starlight, the infinite canvas of space stretches out before you. Tiny, distant pinpricks of light twinkle, unmoving, while closer by nebulae drift like painted clouds ever so slowly. The neutron star itself remains unseen, its physical form too small, too dense, too far for the eye to discern. Yet its sonic signature fills this peaceful space, a constant, comforting presence. It is a timeless rhythm, a soft, powerful beat that has echoed for eons, now shared with you in this moment of quiet repose. This deep, steady thrum encourages your own breath to match its unhurried pace, drawing you deeper into the quiet heart of the cosmic night, allowing any lingering thoughts to simply dissipate into the vastness. The steady thrum continues its gentle rhythm, a deep, resonant pulse that seems to originate from the very fabric of the cosmos. It doesn't just fill the space around you, it settles within you, a silent conversation between your being and the vast, quiet universe. This is the distant song of the neutron star, translated into a harmonious vibration that lulls and soothes. As the sound washes over you, the subtle pressure in the air around you seems to grow softer, lighter. You are cradled in the heart of this sleeping starship, an arc drifting through the cosmic night, designed for moments of deep listening. Through the expansive viewport, the neutron star itself is a distant pinprick of intense, focused light, almost too tiny to truly comprehend its immense power. Yet, its presence is felt not just in the gentle hum, but in the subtle shimmer on the edges of your perception, a faint, iridescent glow that seems to breathe in and out with the deep rhythm. The soft, indirect lighting of the observation deck casts long, peaceful shadows, highlighting the sleek, minimalist curves of the chamber. There are no harsh edges here, only flowing lines that guide your gaze outward towards the infinite. The sounds are not loud, not demanding, but rather an invitation, a soft murmur from an ancient, distant heart, inviting you to simply be. It is a presence more than a sound, a feeling of being utterly connected to something profound and eternal. Each breath you take now seems to be in perfect synchronicity with the star's silent cadence, a slow, deliberate intake, a calm, releasing exhale. Any last wisps of thought or concern are drawn away, dissolved into the deep, dark expanse, leaving only a sense of boundless peace. You are simply here, listening, drifting, and allowing the cosmic lullaby to to carry you deeper into the quietude of rest. The cosmic lullaby, subtle as it is profound, continues its gentle embrace. It's not a sound that registers in the ear, but a frequency that resonates deep within. A quiet hum that speaks of immense cosmic forces held in perfect balance. This is the Distant Neutron Star's serenade, a whisper from the heart of a collapsed sun, traveling through the vastness to meet you here, in this quiet corner of the void. As you float in this boundless peace, the dark expanse around you seems to breathe with an ancient rhythm. Tiny, almost imperceptible currents of energy drift past, each one a phantom echo of the star's rhythmic pulse. They are like silken threads, weaving through the quiet, brushing against the edges of your awareness, inviting you to simply be, to let go and surrender to the cosmic flow. A soft, ethereal glow, barely a suggestion of light, pulses in the far distance, a silent beacon marking the neutron star's invisible presence. It's too far to illuminate, yet its subtle shimmer feels like a constant, unyielding promise in the infinite. This isn't about seeing a bright star, but sensing its profound presence, not about hearing, but feeling the deep, resonant harmony of the universe itself. Your sanctuary, a bubble of calm in the cosmic ocean, holds you gently within its serene embrace. Its smooth, quiet surfaces reflect the faintest glimmers from beyond, mirroring the soft neon distance lights that punctuate the velvety black like scattered jewels. Here, time stretches and thins, and the only agenda is the effortless flow of this cosmic rhythm, guiding you further into profound relaxation. Allow yourself to be entirely held by this gentle, distant hum as it carries you deeper into the quietude of rest. The gentle hum deepens, not in intensity, but in its intricate layers, unfolding like a cosmic tapestry woven from pure resonance. Each soft, rhythmic pulse of the distant neutron star is a wave, washing over the quiet space around you, creating a palpable sense of calm. It's a symphony without urgency, a slow, deliberate conversation across eons, felt more than heard. The deep resonance seems to gently vibrate through the very structure of the observation deck, a subtle tremor that is more soothing than disruptive. You notice how subtle light patterns, reflections from the distant stellar heart, now ripple across the smooth, dark surfaces of your sanctuary. They dance in harmony with the almost imperceptible vibrations in the air, a visual echo of the profound, deep sound. These patterns are not bright or distracting, but rather a soft, shimmering suggestion, an invitation to simply observe and absorb. The very air seems to carry this ancient song, wrapping around you like a comforting embrace, a reminder of the universe's vast, quiet beauty. Soft, deep hum continues this resonant presence, extends beyond the walls, out into the serene, starlit void. Yet it feels intimately close within this safe haven. The sounds are a slow, steady breath of the cosmos itself, a constant, unwavering rhythm that encourages your own breathing to deepen, to align with its timeless cadence. You are simply floating within this vast, harmonious current, utterly at peace, allowing the gentle waves of sound to dissolve any lingering thoughts, leaving only the profound, deep presence of the distant star's lullaby, guiding your breath, steadying your thoughts, pulling you further into a state of effortless peace. Each moment melts into the next, suspended in this quiet, resonant space. The subtle hum of the distant neutron star now feels like an extension of your own quiet being. It is not a sound heard with ears alone, but with an inner sense, a profound resonance that gently cradles the edges of your awareness. Within this sanctuary, specifically designed to attune to such cosmic whispers, the very air seems to vibrate with a soft, expansive energy. Gentle currents of cool, purified air drift silently, carrying with them a faint, almost metallic sweet scent, like distant stardust mixed with the processed oxygen of this peaceful habitat. Soft, very low frequency hum, almost a vibration outside the panoramic viewport. The deep cosmic architecture of the orbital station frames the endless canvas of space, where pinpricks of far-off galaxies shimmer like scattered diamonds on dark velvet. Yet, your attention remains drawn inward to the profound, almost imperceptible rhythm emanating from that incredible star. It's a pulse so ancient, so constant, it bypasses conscious thought and settles directly into the core of your peaceful relaxation. Subtle resonance panels embedded in the chamber's walls emit a diffused, deep indigo glow, synchronized with the star's distant energy, creating a gentle, ebb and flow of ambient light. These gentle shifts of light and shadow enhance the feeling of timelessness, dissolving any lingering sense of rush or obligation. All that remains is the soft, continuous flow of the neutron star's song, a quiet assurance in the vast, sleeping universe. It's a rhythm that invites surrender, a cosmic lullaby that gently rocks your consciousness, ensuring a deep and untroubled rest. You are simply present, enveloped, drifting deeper into its serene embrace, each breath a soft echo of its distant, powerful heartbeat. The subtle cadence of the neutron star continues its gentle rhythm, a deep, almost subaudible thrum that resonates not just through the structure around you, but through the very fabric of your being. It's a sound that cradles, a lullaby of immense cosmic power, muted and softened for your peace. You observe, or perhaps you simply exist within this unique space, a chamber crafted for quiet communion with the immense. Soft, diffused light, tinted with the distant star's unique spectrum, paints the smooth, curved surfaces of the interior. It's a quiet glow, like a perpetual twilight, casting no harsh shadows, only gentle gradients of cosmic blues and purples across the smooth, quiet architecture. Through the vast, transparent panels that form one side of the sanctuary, the neutron star itself is a distant, gleaming jewel. Its light, a steady, unwavering beacon in the velvet dark. You are not rushing towards it, nor retreating. You are perfectly suspended in a moment of tranquil observation, feeling the gentle, almost imperceptible vibration through the soft material of your resting place. The faint, high-frequency whispers that accompany the deeper thrum are like the softest static, the cosmic breath of creation filtering through millennia of space, purified and presented for your quiet contemplation. Each whisper encourages a deeper settling, a release of any lingering thought, drawing you further into the quietude that defines this extraordinary place. Your consciousness, unburdened, becomes one with the gentle pulse, a silent witness to the universe's serene, profound hum. The vastness outside feels less like an emptiness and more like a protective, infinite blanket, holding you securely within this peaceful, floating haven. All that remains is this soft, resonant presence, guiding you deeper into stillness. This soft, resonant presence, born from the heart of a distant neutron star, continues to hold you. It's not a sound that jolts, but a deep, comforting thrum, a cosmic lullaby vibrating through the very fabric of your peaceful, weightless chamber. You are nestled within its embrace, a gentle current carrying you further from the edges of wakefulness. The soft, ambient glow from the distant star, now a deep, soothing indigo, paints the contours of your space, making every surface feel smooth and cool to the touch. Let the last whispers of the day melt away, dissolving into the vast, quiet expanse surrounding you. The gentle pulse of the neutron star is your sole companion, a silent guardian humming you to rest. Feel yourself gently untethering, drifting freely, safely. This is your personal sanctuary, an infinite space of calm where only the quietest wonders reside. The rhythmic ebb and flow of this ancient star's song cradles you, slowing your thoughts, calming your breath, until they are as soft and even as the cosmic dust outside. Allow your eyes to grow heavy, your body to soften, surrendering to the profound peace. The distant neutron star, a beacon of perpetual quiet, guides you now into the deepest slumber. Its gentle resonance becomes one with your own heartbeat, a harmonious rhythm inviting you to sleep. All thoughts dissipate like faint starlight, leaving only the profound comfort of this moment. You are safe. You are held. You are ready to drift into a peaceful, dream-filled night, carried by the softest sounds of the universe. Good night.